Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we specifically talk about the fseek function. This is a function that we can use it to move the file position pointer. So we can put the file position pointer in the beginning of the file, in the middle of the file, wherever you want, or at the end of the file. And basically this is what we can do with the fseek function. In the previous episode, we discussed that how we can read from a random access file, and in that episode we used the fseek function. So in this function I will specifically talk about the fseek function. I wouldn't really cover all the other details that we have discussed in the previous episodes. So the fseek function, basically this is the prototype for this fseek function. First argument is that it is going to take a stream, basically in our case a file stream, and then the second argument that it takes is going to be an offset. This offset can be a positive number, and when you're using a positive integer, the pointer is going to move forward. But if you're using a negative integer, the pointer is going to move backwards. And this integer, the last argument in here, is where to start from. So we have three options that we can start from. These are already predefined in the stdio.h library, so you can use them readily available. The seek set indicates that the seek is measured from the beginning of the file. The seek current, that the seek is going to be measured from the current location in the file. So if you have read something using fprintf or using any of these other functions you have read from the file, your file position pointer has moved somewhere, and this constant will point to that location. And obviously the seek end indicates that the seek is measured from the end of the file. So now you can see that when we have tried to open this random access file, instead of reading from the beginning of the file, we have tried to seek a little bit. We have used this file, basically the random access file.dat. We have tried to set an offset of 2 elements, basically skip 2 elements in here. And then where do we want to start from? Obviously from the beginning of this file. So from the beginning of this file, we are going to skip 2 records. Now this is the data that we have in the random access file. The sequential file is not the one that we are reading, but the data in here is exactly the same that is available here in the random access file. So that's why we're looking into this file. The first record is for Ilham, the second is for David, and the third is for Sam. And now when we run this program, you can see that we got the result of we skipped 2 records and we directly came to Sam in here. And we can basically do more of this. We can set a 4 in here. We will go directly to the 5th element in here. Let's go and run this. And you can see that we've gone to Rob_500. And that's how the fseek function works. If you want to know more about how this program works, we have explained this program thoroughly in the previous episodes, so you can refer to the previous episodes. And that's it for this episode. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.